Only because of Project Pan, I was able to empty half of this and was able to completely empty this one. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's video is on the update of my Project Pan challenge that I started in September. So here are all my products and I'll be giving you a detailed update on the progress that I have achieved in the last month. So starting with the positives first. This primer sample, this is the MAC Prep and Prime primer. And my goal last month was to completely finish it. And here I am. It is completely empty. It's completely done. This is a 6 ml product and I wasn't sure last month if I would be able to complete it, but it's all done. I'm very happy. Let's finish the makeup products first. So next I have this lipstick from Rimmel. It's the Rimmel Provocalypse lipstick and it's in the shade Make Your Move. It's a beautiful nude color. My goal last month was to use it just 10 times and I have used it 12 times last month. So this was lying in my vanity since a long time and I finally made good use of it. Next I have the Insight Makeup Setting Spray and my goal last month was to use it 10 times and I have used it 16 times last month. Also the weight of the product has reduced by almost 10 grams, so I have made good use of this product. So even makeup fixers I use very rarely, but just because of the panning challenge I was able to complete at least 10 grams of this product. I'll be rolling over this product to the October panning challenge as well. And my goal in October is to use this product 15 times. So the next product in my panning challenge was the Rimmel Scandalized Eyeliner. It's in the shade Blue. My goal last month was to use this 10 times and I have used this 19 times. This is a very beautiful and pigmented eyeliner. Let me just show you a swatch here. So this is how pigmented it is and it lasts so long till you get it off with the makeup remover. It doesn't come off. And it doesn't smudge as well. Usually all my eyeliners smudge on my upper lid, but this one doesn't budge. So this is a great eyeliner. I really like this and I was really happy that I was able to make good use of it last month. And here I am with my most difficult product. This is the Lakme CC Cream. And my goal last month was to empty it, but no, still no. It has a long way to go. I can still see a lot of product in there. To be precise, I've used it 22 times last month. I have used about 4 grams of this product and the total weight of this product is 30 grams. So even though I have made real good use, I cannot see the product emptying. So let me see if I can achieve this goal this month. So this product will be rolled over to the October panning challenge and my goal again, as I said, will be to empty it in October. Next I have my Lakme loose powder. It is the rose powder. So my goal last month was to use this 20 times and I have used it 26 times. But the weight over here of the 26 uses was just around 1.3 grams. So I can see that I still have a very long way to go with this product. I don't think I'll be able to empty it in the next 5 or 6 months also. So let's see how this goes. I'll be rolling this over to the October Project Pan as well. Now coming to the progress on my skincare items. So the first item from my skincare category was the Petal Fresh Body Butter. And my goal last month was to use this 20 times. And I have used this 21 times. I have used up about 68 grams of this product. So I use this almost every day and you can see that I have completed about half of this product. So the total weight of this product itself is 237 ml and I have completed 30% of it in just 1 month. So it looks like I'll be able to empty it by November. I'll be rolling this over to the October Project Pan. So the last product of my September Project Pan was the Cosrx Nail Mucin. My goal last month was to use it 15 times and I have used this 21 times. So I also have a small marking over here. So this was the September beginning marking and this was where the product reached in October. And I have used a little bit in October as well. So you can see a little decrease over here. The difference from here to here is about 10 grams of product. So with 21 uses, I used 10 grams of product. So with that, it looks like I'll take another 2 months to complete this product. So I'm happy that I'm using this product and my goal is to finish it this year. I'll be rolling this over to the October Project Pan. So yes, that was all about my September panning challenge. I will be rolling out these 3 products because I have completed the usage goal on these 2 products and I've completely emptied this. So now let's talk about my October panning challenge. So in October, I'm rolling in 4 products instead of 3. So that will make a total of 9 products in October. So let's first talk about the products that I'm rolling over from September. These skincare items I'll be rolling in October and the body butter I want to use 20 times this month and the Cosrx Nail Mucin I want to use it at least 15 times this month. So I hope I'll be able to make it. I don't want these challenges to be very difficult for me and make it overwhelming for me. So I just select the minimum number of times to use a product so that I'm actually able to achieve those goals. Or else I feel disheartened, and actually the purpose of panning products is lost. So I don't want to be disheartened. I want to use these products with my whole heart and want to make it easier for me and also empty up my products as I'm using them. Next, the makeup products that I'm rolling over. The Lakme loose powder, again, I want to use this 20 times. The Insight makeup fixer, I want to use this 15 times. And my most difficult product again, the Lakme CC cream, I want to empty this in October at least. Let's see if I can empty this. I have other foundations and CC and BB creams, so I want to start using those soon. They are still unopened, so I want to finish this one fast. Now, talking about the new products that I'm rolling in. First is the Blue Heaven liquid lipstick. It's a nude shade and it's a really beautiful lipstick. So I have a lipstick project pan going on, which I have uploaded on my shorts and also on my Instagram. So currently I'm using up this Wet n Wild lipstick. It is a part of the lipstick project pan. And I just have this much bit of it left. And I'm also wearing it right now. It's a very gorgeous lipstick. It's in the shade Cinnamon Spice by Wet n Wild. So when you combine these two shades, oh my god, the shade is absolutely gorgeous, and it also makes my Wet n Wild lipstick stay longer. So the matte combination of this and the glossy matte combination of this, it's really beautiful. Let me quickly show you a swatch of the liquid lipstick on my Wet n Wild Cinnamon Spice Bullet Lipstick. So you see how that glossy finish changes to a matte finish. It also lasts very long. So I really like this Blue Heaven liquid lipstick. I actually got this as a free sample from Nykaa and I really like this shade. But I have not been using it very often. So I felt that October would be a good month for me to start using this up. And so far I've used this around 2 or 3 times and I'm really liking it. My goal is to use this just 10 times this month, but I think I will be using it almost every day in October. Next, I have 2 eyeliners. So I have selected 2 eyeliners because my collection of eyeliners is really very vast. So I want to finish and focus on these 2 eyeliners in October. One is this very generic brand. It's again a blue eyeliner. So last month too, I had a blue eyeliner and I selected another one this month. And if you see, this is a brighter shade. I think it's a royal blue shade. The other one, the Rimmel Provocalypse, was a little darker shade. So both are very gorgeous and it brings a bright look on your face. My goal is to use this 10 times this month. And since it's a very bright blue, I may wear it very rarely. And I think 10 months is an okay goal for this product. Next, I am rolling in this Music Flower Pot Gel Liner. So it has an eyeshadow as well. So the top part is an eyeshadow and the bottom is a pot gel liner. So this is a very good eyeliner. It lasts so long, but the only thing is that I did not use it since long, so it has dried up. For this, I'm using my Inglot Duraline to revive it, and I just require a very tiny bit of Inglot Duraline once in 2 days to revive this product. So I'll be doing that. My goal is to use this pot gel liner 20 times in October. Now the last product I'm rolling in is the L'Oreal Eye Cream. I use this on and off because I'm not sure about its result. But still, since I have this product, this is the only eye cream I have. I want to finish this one. And my goal this month is to empty it. So there is a lot of product in this. It is a 15 ml product and you just need a tiny bit of it. So let me see if I can finish it in October. If I won't be able to finish it, I'm definitely rolling this in November because I need to finish it. The expiry is 6 months since the date of opening, so I cannot keep it longer. So yes, these are all my products for the October Panning Challenge. The weight, the goals and the product names, all the details will be on my screen right now. So yes friends, that's all about my project panning challenge for October. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have you started your panning project yet? If yes, please do let me know in the comments your progress. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for all the love on my previous video. Do check out my channel for some other exciting videos on beauty and skincare. I hope you have a great month ahead. Take care and see you in my next video.